What we have here is an old, worn-out auger bit. So you can't even add new teeth to this thing. So the plan is to weld some metal here and bring this thing back to life. Let's do it. Looking at this, it's around 3.5 inches. We got some scrap metal lying around. It's 3.5 for both sides. Cut this up and weld it on there. Here's piece number 1. And piece number 2. We're all set up here. We got the door open. We got a fan here to blow all the smoke away. And by no means am I a professional welder. I just kind of learned this by myself. I don't know. We'll just tack this on here like that, and maybe on the back. Color good. Well, that looks like absolute garbage. I wonder if I can fill in this little crack right here with some weld. Let's see how that goes. Not as terrible, but it filled up. Alright, I think that's pretty good. They're both on there. And there you go. That's how you fix a worn out. I doubt I fixed it. It's probably going to break off the first time I use it, but whatever. I'll give it a go.